I'll take your awareness to the entire body. Listen to the instructions without moving the body parts, only take your awareness there. Develop the awareness of entire classroom, the four walls, the floor, the ceiling, your mat, the props, chair, and the belt. Shift your awareness from the external components to the physical body. Take your awareness to the spinal cord, to the touching points of the body and the floor, the heels, calf muscles, hamstring, buttocks, lower spine, middle spine, upper spine, and back of the head. In one go, awareness of the complete body from top to down, the lower body, the body which is in contact with the floor. Coming to the frontal body, the toes, ankles, shin bones, the knees, upper thighs, thigh joints, two hips, trunk, the lateral body, the two hands, shoulders, neck, and entire head. Awareness of the whole body, front and back together. Awareness of whole body, front and back together. Repeat the awareness of the whole body, front, back, lateral, all together. Taking your awareness to the important junctions of the energy, which is in the spinal cord, towards the central nervous system, starting from the top of the head, called Sahasrara chakra, back of your eyebrow center, Agya chakra, related with the pineal gland, which works for regulation of the temperature and the biological cycle. It's also called third eye, Divya Drishti. Intuitive science lies here. Shifting back of the neck, Vishuddhi chakra, related to thyroid and parathyroid gland. Shifting to back of your chest, the heart chakra, Anahata. Related to respiratory and circulatory system, lungs and heart, and the emotions of the body lies there. Next one is behind the navel at the spinal cord, related to digestive system, absorption, assimilation of the food. Going down to Swadhisthana chakra, one palm below the navel, reproductive chakra, creative mind, very important chakra for the ladies. Go one palm below, called excretory chakra, the Mooladhara chakra, the ground chakra. Now shift your awareness from chakra point to the breath. Observe the breath. Do not change the pace of your breath. The navel is rising and sinking with each inhalation and exhalation. Just observe the breath and do not try to alter the breath speed. Create a memory of silence during the Shavasana practice. This is called relaxation after the geometrical movement through asanas. It is also called withdrawal of sense organ, pratyahar practice. Controlling the sense organs, which is the vital force for the desire, pain, and pleasures. Now, externalize the consciousness. Try to listen to any sound which is coming from the outside. Shift the awareness from one sound to another sound. Come back to the classroom. Visualize the four walls, the floor, the ceiling, and your body. Without changing the piece, you need to move your toes and fingers gently and keeping your eyes closed, turn to the right side. Sit upright, sit in cross-leg position. Any comfortable position is also. You can access any comfortable sitting position, Vajrasana or Sukhasana or Siddhasana. Index finger and thumb together. 3 rounds of humming V sound. Breathing in. 2 inhale. 3 inhale. 1 round of Om with 3 Shantis. Breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om. Gently rub your palms. palms on your eyes. Lift your palms. Namaste. Thank you so much.